Hi. So now let us see the next join, that is natural join. Okay. So what is this natural join? So this is very simple actually. So let us see first of all, natural join does not use any comparison operator. Very important thing. You are not going to put any condition actually. Then how it is going to perform the join operation and how it is returning the values. So let us see. So we can perform natural join if only if there is at least one common attribute exist in both the relations actually. So there must be at least one common attribute. So that is what you can see in the student table and the course table. What is the common attribute? CID is the common attribute. So CID is common in both the attributes, right? In the both the tables. So that is what at least one. So one attribute is there which is common. But we have one constraint on this common attribute actually. What is that one is, you can see here, same name, that is what in both actually same name CID and domain. So domain is nothing but it's a data type. So if it is integer, this must be integer. If it is float, this must be float. Simply you can say compatibility must be there. Okay, so compatibility must be there here actually. Then only you can perform natural join. Okay, so very simple that how many common attributes satisfying these two, same name and domain, on all those attributes, you are putting automatically equi-join actually. Okay, so how and let us see here, simple. So the same query I am taking, display roll number and course name of each student. So how simply in the natural join we are going to do, you can see here. So this is what student natural join on course. That's it. But what is happening internally? Internally, in the student and course, it will identify that who are all common attributes. So identified CID is one common attribute. Then internally, automatically it will perform student.cid equal to course.cid condition automatically putting. That is what equal condition only, not any other conditions. That means other comparison operators are there, right? Greater than, less than, all these things it is not putting by default, and only equal operator is putting on the common attributes in the both the tables. Suppose if you have more than one common attribute, how many common attributes are there? On all those common attributes, it is putting the equi-join and connector is AND operator. So because we have AND or logical operators, right? So how many conditions? If you have two conditions, that means if you have two attributes are common in both the tables, then two conditions it is going to frame, right? And between them, it is putting AND operator. That is what my meaning. Then, so that is what internally this much work is happened in this. So automatically you have only whoever matched this condition. Those records only we have here. That is one relation. On this relation, what we need actually, we need only roll number and course name. So that is what again, student.roll number and course name. So that is what course.cname. So only these two attributes were written. So this is useful. If natural join is useful, naturally, whenever common attributes are there in the both the tables, and if it is satisfying this one, especially domain part, then you can go for the natural join. You don't need to write down explicitly the condition part. And not only that, how many attributes are common in the both the tables, that many conditions it is framing by using the equal operator, and between every condition it is going to put the logical operator AND actually. So this is what simply the natural join. So that is why its name is natural. Whenever common attributes are there in the table, and if your requirement is whoever matched actually. That means equal join you are equi join you are performing internally. Okay.